Tell me, Ida, it's been a week now since your son went missing. How are you bearing up? Could you manage a cheer for the camera?
What is this?
Oh, good, they've arrived. Leave this to me, love. Now, which side do you think's me best side? Yeah? All right, dear, it's okay. It's all right. It's just Jack Cole from Birdwatch UK. You know, they're doing a feature on us.
Zoom in for the headshot. Confusion, anguish, matrimonial distress.
Now, here's the photograph you asked me for. I'm sorry, it got a bit torn, but it should be all right. Now, we're all in a very, very deep state of shock.
Ida, there have been rumours of farm, yard, bullying. Do you believe your son was abducted? Or is it possible that he ran away to escape his persecutors?
What are you trying to say?
That's good. I'll buy that. Defensive yet emotional. Just a hint of anger. Oh, I'm filling up here.
Doesn't anybody care what I think?
Sorry, sweetheart, coming to the end of transmission. I want to leave the final word with Ida, just in case her son is out there watching. But for now, this is Jack Daw from Birdwatch UK, reminding you that if you see anything suspicious, from thieving magpies to lost little duckies, the old Bill is waiting to take your call. All right, Ida, it's all yours.
And don't start blabbing, for God's sake.
Every time I turn around, I expect you to appear. Everyone may call my name, but it's your voice that I hear. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Get away, all of you, please, get away. Every day will seem to be more empty than the last. Everywhere the sun once shone, a shadow has been cast. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and grey. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away.
Can't leave me with the four of them.
Don't worry, Frank, you'll manage.
But you know you're wasting your time, you know you are. Anyway, it's dangerous to go wandering off beyond the vicarage this time of year.
I know, dear, but you must trust me. A mother knows.
Well, you better take the mobile.
Every moment seems an hour. Cries is a dream that's washed away. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away.